When your computer starts acting up and showing signs of trouble, there are some handy tools in Windows that can help you out. Omaha Computing Solutions is here to guide you through the basics of using the System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM tools. The System File Checker tool comes to the rescue when your Windows system files get corrupted or go missing. It's like a digital detective that scans your computer for any issues and fixes them automatically. To run SFC, simply open Command Prompt as an administrator and type SFC scannow, then hit Enter. Let the tool do its magic and repair any problems it finds. But sometimes, SFC may not be able to fix everything, and that's where DISM comes in. The Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool helps repair the Windows system image and prepares the way for SFC to do its job effectively. To use DISM, open Command Prompt as an administrator and type DISM and online cleanup image, RestoreHealth, then press Enter. Once DISM is done, you can run SFC again to ensure everything is in order. By using these simple tools, you can keep your Windows computer running smoothly and avoid frustrating issues. Remember, regular maintenance like running SFC and DISM can prevent bigger problems down the road. So next time your computer acts up, don't panic. Just let SFC and DISM work their magic, and if you need help, call Omaha Computing Solutions. Their skilled technicians can make your computer run great.